As the vision for Exodus projects began to take root in our hearts, we realized it was going to require construction. At Restoration Gateway, we had been introduced to a method of construction, making blocks used in constructing buildings that were made from a combination of materials and compressed in a compression machine. When I began to inquire about the machines and the cost of them and so forth, learned that one of those machines could be acquired for about $1,000 US. And they were operated manually, not automatically, so I could actually employ people in the making of these blocks. So again, donors made it possible for us to acquire one of those machines, and we brought it up to Exodus Project land, and we have been making blocks for construction purposes on Exodus projects since then. We've also been able to use these in a construction project outside of Exodus projects. So it's exciting. It's exciting to see, first of all, just this method. The commonly used brick in almost all other construction in this area is a burnt brick, which takes about 30 days to process, requires an immense amount of wood, contributes to deforestation, which is a huge problem in the north part of this country, and it contributes to the polluting of the atmosphere. Our block contributes to none of that, requires no burning. The blocks are air and water cured. They take 14 to 21 days to be ready for use in the construction of a building, and we can employ people. It takes a team of 6 to 8 people to acquire the materials, mix the materials, use the machine in compressing the block, and then in the curing process, the 14 to 21 days, every block has to be soaked with water twice a day for that period of time. The genius of these blocks is that they're interlocking. They're tongue and groove top to bottom and end to end. So they stack together in much the same way that Legos stack together. So very little mortar is necessary in the construction of the building that use these blocks. So it makes the building stronger. The blocks themselves are far superior in strength. They're uniform, they look better, and they're very cost effective in terms of construction with the building. So we're excited about being able to develop a construction process utilizing this particular kind of block.